Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: who was Hannah's son? Hint, it's in 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 20. Comment below. So today we're going to jump into 1 John chapter 1 verse 5. This is the message we have heard from him and declare to you: God is light, in him there is no darkness at all. So, Word of God tells you there's no darkness at all. So, what is that describing? Any moment that you are feeling down, feeling discouraged, seems like there's no way out. That's your feelings. That's what sin has done. That's what this world is putting on you. That's when you need to choose Jesus. Now, there's strong contrast between the light in Christian's life and darkness in a life given to sin. If we live in sin while claiming to be Christians, we deceive ourselves. Honest and accurate self-examination of our spiritual state requires us to live in God's light. The result of choosing to live in the light, continually acknowledging our flaws as the light reveals them. We need to understand that for us to get better, for us to continue to grow, we need to leave our old selves behind and keep transforming daily. Surrender yourself to the Lord daily. Every morning, give yourself to Jesus. One step at a time, you have to gradually continue to learn who He is. And how do you do that? By reading the Bible. Not by listening to anyone, not by watching podcasts, not by going to church. By reading the Bible yourself is the only way to continue growing that relationship. Take time today, open up the Bible, find something. A lot of Bibles in the beginning will give you certain things that you might be going through: pain, patience, procrastination, pride. They'll give you certain areas of the Bible where you could read verses to help along with those feelings. Go online, search up those things. What verse has to deal with this? What chapter has to deal with this? What book in the Bible have to deal with this? Then read it for yourself. Talk to God and ask Him for guidance. The time is now. You can't keep waiting to open up the book. Take time today and get to know who God is. He's asking for you to come back to Him. But to finish up, the answer to today's question is Samuel. Yes, Old Testament Samuel. It is in 1 Samuel chapter 1, verse 20. If you didn't know the answer, open up there. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.